The key fob battery in 2018-2024 Ford Explorers typically lasts 1 to 2 years. Signs of a weak battery include diminished range or failure to start the vehicle. You'll need a CR232 battery, a small flathead screwdriver or key fob opening tool, and a clean surface. Ford recommends using a quality CR232 battery like Energizer or Duracell. Locate the release button or seam on the side of the key fob. Remember that cold weather can shorten battery life by up to 20%, so be prepared to replace it more often in such conditions. Carefully pry open the key fob housing using a small flathead screwdriver. Remove the old CR232 battery, noting that the positive side usually faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the correct polarity, positive side up. Snap the fob back together and test its functions like lock, unlock, and panic button. If it doesn't work, check for corrosion on the contacts and clean with a soft cloth. Ensure the battery is correctly oriented. Incorrect placement can short-circuit the fob. Consider recycling the old battery properly. If issues persist, the fob might need reprogramming via the vehicle's settings menu.